The music industry is a massive multi-billion-dollar empire. But here's the exciting part. You don't need special skills to be part of it. With AI-powered tools, you can start creating your own music, get your songs noticed, and even make money from it. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to get started. We'll cover how to find a trending music niche, how to use AI to create music, and how to earn from your tracks. The best part? You can use this method across multiple platforms: YouTube, Spotify, iTunes, and Apple Music. But first, let's get into how to start. The very first thing we need to do is identify a trending market. Instead of creating random music and just posting it online, we need to spend time researching so our music stands out. With thousands of new songs uploaded daily to Spotify and YouTube, having a targeted strategy is crucial. To find out what's popular, we used a tool called Semrush. Even though Semrush is mainly used for Google searches, it can still show you what topics are trending, and this information is useful for platforms like YouTube and Spotify too. Here's how to use Semrush. First, open the Keyword Magic tool and type a keyword like music. Here you can type any genre or mood. This showed us popular searches on the keyword music. From there, picked a few types of music to look into, like Christmas music and gaming music, which had a lot of interest in these days. Next, let's take a look at YouTube to see what types of music videos are getting a lot of views right now. With Christmas coming soon, we can see that Christmas songs are becoming very popular. People are starting to search for holiday music, so this is a great time to create and upload a Christmas-themed song or music video. The main idea is to make music in a style that people already enjoy. For this video, I'll create a song in a random niche, but feel free to do your research and pick one that's popular. By creating music that's already in demand, you'll have a better chance of getting listeners. First, we need to create a catchy song. For this, we'll use Mureka AI, an amazing AI music generator that's free to use. Click the link in the description to get your free credits and start using Mureka AI now. Log in using your Google account. Once you reach the homepage, you'll find a collection of music that other users have created with this incredible tool. To make your own viral song, click the Create button on the left side of the page. This will bring you to the Create page, where you'll see options for basic and advanced song creation. Mureka lets you create songs simply by providing a description. If you have an idea for a song but haven't come up with lyrics yet, the basic option is a great place to begin. Just enter details about the mood, genre, and theme of the song you're aiming for, then hit Create. In a few moments, Mureka AI works its magic, generating several different song options for you to choose from.
And my hair's so big it could be world's record if it wasn't for that stupid comb over. And when I leave, people notice, oh yeah, there's no one like me. Don't say your prayers too soon. There's no one quite like me. Oh no, no one like Goldie walks like a king, he wears a crown, then they sing. I got the moves of a young Sinatra, I got the looks of Sean Connery.
Both versions sound pretty good, right? But sometimes the lyrics or music style might not be exactly what you wanted. That's where the advanced features come in. If you want more control over your song, Mureka offers an advanced mode. In this mode, you can either input your own lyrics or let the AI generate them for you. To get started, you'll first need to give your song a title. This helps the AI understand the context of your song and create lyrics that match your theme. Once you've added a title, simply click on the Generate Lyrics button. Mureka AI will then provide you with a song structure and lyrics that align with the title you've chosen. For example, I gave it the title Donald Trump, and Mureka generated lyrics about him. You can always tweak these lyrics if needed. Once the lyrics are ready, click Create to generate the music. In my case, I like to write my own lyrics using ChatGPT. This gives me more control over the lyrics and ensures they match my vision. If you're not confident about writing your own lyrics, don't worry. I've created a helpful prompt that you can use to get started. You'll find it in the description below. To use it, go to ChatGPT and paste the first prompt into the text box. Then, paste the second prompt below the first one and write the song category you want. Click Create, and ChatGPT will modify the prompt based on your selected category. After that, copy the modified prompt and paste it into a new chat. Then click Create again. Soon, you'll have lyrics perfect for your song. You can also adjust the prompt to match the music style you're going for. Once you have your lyrics from ChatGPT, go back to Mureka AI, enter a title for your song, and paste the lyrics into the platform. Click Create, and Mureka will generate music based on your lyrics. Here's what Mureka AI creates without any further changes to the advanced settings.
Every tear, our love's the last
Looking good, right? With the advanced settings, you can fine-tune your song even more. You can pick a reference track, choose a singer, and specify instruments to match the style you want. One of Mureka AI's unique features is its ability to replicate the style of a specific song. You can upload a reference track or provide a YouTube link to a song, and Mureka AI will try to match the sound, mood, and vibe of that song in your generated track. This means you can get a song that feels similar to your favorite tune without any copyright issues. Next, if you don't want to use the default AI-generated vocals, Mureka AI allows you to experiment with different virtual singers. While the platform doesn't have a huge selection of vocalists right now, they're expected to add more voices in the future, giving you even more options to match your style. Mureka also allows you to describe the exact music style you want. You can enter details like style, mood, vocals, and instruments to control how the song will sound. Another cool feature is the ability to record a melody idea to help kickstart your song. Now, let's see the final result after changing the advanced settings. First, select your preferred singer from the Vocals tab. Then, go back to ChatGPT and copy the style you've generated. Paste this into the Description tab in the advanced settings. After that, copy the title and paste it into the title text box in Mureka AI. Finally, click Create to generate your customized music track. Let's see what it came up with.
Your voice is like a whisper, softly calling out my name. Across the miles and starless skies, I know it's still the same. I hold the moments we shared in the corners of my mind. Through every turn and every tear, our love's the lasting kind. So, hold me closer, even in the dark. When we're miles apart, you're here in my heart. No distance can break what we've started. We're two souls uncharted. Hold me closer, my love. I hold the moments we've shared in the corners of my mind. Through every turn and every tear, our love's the lasting kind. So hold me closer, sir, even in the dark, when we're miles apart.
Pretty awesome, right? If you're happy with the result, you can download it straight away. If you feel like making changes, just use the Regenerate option to refine it further. Now comes the exciting part, earning money from your AI-generated music. By subscribing to Mureka AI's paid plan, you can receive an ownership certificate and a commercial license for your song. This license allows you to earn money from your AI-generated tracks on popular platforms like YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, and SoundCloud. With these rights, your music can reach a huge audience worldwide, opening up income streams every time your song is streamed, downloaded, or purchased. So, how can you distribute your AI songs on major streaming platforms? To get your music out there, try using DistroKid, a popular service for distributing songs across major platforms. Many artists use DistroKid because it's easy to use and only costs $20 per year, which covers unlimited uploads to all major streaming services. To get started, you'll need to sign up, choose your subscription plan, and start uploading your music. You can select which platforms you want your songs to be available on, such as Spotify, YouTube Music, iTunes, and Apple Music. Once uploaded, you'll need to fill out important details like the artist details, songs details, and the track title. Make sure to create a title that will catch listeners' attention. Don't forget to upload your cover art as well. DistroKid also offers some helpful extras, like adding your song to YouTube's Content ID. This allows you to earn ad revenue if others use your music in their videos. If you're new to music distribution, it's a smart idea to upload at least 3 songs right away to set up your artist profile. Also, choose a release date at least 4 weeks ahead of time, ideally on a Friday, since Spotify updates its playlists on Fridays. Once everything is uploaded, you'll receive a confirmation email from DistroKid, and your music will soon be available to the world. Here is the bonus tip. Once your song is live on Spotify, start promoting it. Create a YouTube channel and post long-form videos that listeners can enjoy in the background. Include a Spotify link in your YouTube description so you're earning from both YouTube AdSense and Spotify royalties. So, why are you waiting for? Start creating music, share it with the world, and see if it can become a profitable side job or maybe even a full-time career. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. And don't forget to share it with friends who might want to make their own viral song too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.